Hi friends, I am Dr. Apurv Mehra and I represent team Conceptual Orthopedics here. I am here to talk about the Conceptual Orthopedics postgraduate course on 6th, 7th and 8th October in Delhi. On 6th October, after the inauguration, we will have the lecture by Professor Dr. S.M. Tuli sir and then followed by the lecture on hip examination by our beloved Professor Dr. Anil Dhal sir. This is going to be the beginning, followed by the case discussions which will go on. At the end of the day, at 5 o'clock, from 5 to 8 p.m., we will be having OSCE sessions. This is on your demand. The OSCE sessions will be conducted by Dr. Shailesh Pai and Dr. Fahim and will be chaired by senior teachers as well. Next day, we will start with the spine examination by Professor Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir. We will have case discussions. And what more? Will there be a class on instruments? Yes. Will there be a class on ward rounds? Yes. Will we be talking about orthotics and prostheses? Yes. Till what time? Till 5 p.m. Day 2, 5 p.m. again, we'll go with the OSCE sessions. On last day, that is on Sunday, the 8th of October, what do we have in hand? We'll be talking about important sessions on elbow, shoulder, knee, foot and ankle, the demonstrations. And yes, finish it off with the OSCE session. So what are we trying to give you? We are trying to cover everything that you require for exams. What all? OSCE sessions, new edition. Orthotic processes, new edition. Instruments, new edition. What more? We'll be talking about the ward rounds and interacting one-on-one, how the questions are asked in the exams. Who are going to do it? These are seasoned examiners who have been chairing and conducting exams in this country for almost 4 decades or more. So don't miss it out. Learn from the best. We want to get the best out of you, the better version of you. Remember the golden rule, the learning never ends. Come, read, touch, acquire the clinical skills, go back richer. This is the aim of the Conceptual Orthopedics Postgraduate Course 2023, 6th to 8th October, Delhi. Thank you very much.